Hi, this is Dr. Moran with Kinetic Chiropractic, and I'm going to go over how we treat degenerated discs and joints in the low back. If you look on the left, you'll see an x-ray of a normal low back, and on the right is a degenerated low back of this patient. The degenerated x-ray has narrowed disc spaces, bone spurs, and narrowed holes for the nerves. These problems are putting pressure on her nerves and causing pain in her low back, thighs, and legs. She is unable to drive or sit for longer than a few minutes before she starts to get excruciating pain. For this patient, we started a treatment program of chiropractic adjustments to get pressure off the nerves, decompression to open up the compressed joints to start healing the disc, and class 4 laser to decrease pain, inflammation, and speed up the healing process. This is her 6th visit, and she's already starting to get results and is able to drive for longer distance with minimal pain.
Yep, just in that same spot, but not nearly as bad as it was.
Just relax, don't breathe. More time, deep breath in, and let it out. Back's a little tight today. Let's lay this side up, facing me. Work going all right?
Yeah.
Kids starting school?
Oh, straight.
Alright. We'll go the other way here. Alright, good. Let's roll over into your back. Let's check here. To the right. Okay, great. Look to the left. Alright, just lay on your back here. We're going to do hip traction here. Let's see. Alright, awesome. Sweet. Alright. All set.
Want it to be right about there.
Right here, this part,
Yep.
right here.
Yep.
Because I know I go too
I
high
know.
sometimes.
So it's perfect. Alright, you okay?
It has been better the last few days.
Yeah, that's great.
I've been like, it's so nice to feel some relief.
What are you able to like drive better? Just the little things that like
You have
nobody
no
like thinks
idea.
about. You know what I mean? Like nobody.
When I have to drive an hour and a half home, which I'll be doing it again tomorrow, and I'll be home until Friday. You have no idea the difference in driving, because going from being in excruciating pain to drive even, down 72nd Street,
Yeah.
being able to drive for an hour and a half and not be in complete pain the whole time is amazing.
Are you still at the tent and everything, or is it done?
No, it's down.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
How
And
long did that take?
okay.
I was like, I said it together.
We took it down on Friday.
Oh, okay. Was there a lot of fireworks left?
No,
Really?
we didn't have a lot left. It was awesome.
So doesn't that
Wednesday
like
and
mean
Thursday were
so like
huge days for us.
so does that mean like someone with like I don't know, like does that mean it's better for him? I mean if nothing is there anymore?
Yeah, if there's not a lot left, that's
Yeah.
a good thing, yes.
Alright. Oh, and here's your emergency right here. Just Alright, ready to go? Alright.